I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After seasonal highs in the low to mid 80s this afternoon and a few leftover thunderstorms across the central and east, tomorrow through Sunday, heat returns with the building ridge of high pressure. Highs warm from the low to mid 90s tomorrow to the upper 90s to the mid 100s for Friday and Saturday. That high pressure ridge begins to slide east on Sunday, but highs still top out in the mid 90s to around 100. Friday through the weekend, the heat and slightly high humidity combine for feels-like readings near or just above 105. Could see some near-record lows for Friday night and Saturday night with many temperatures only cooling to the mid to upper 70s. With the passage of a cold front, thunderstorm chances return Sunday night through Tuesday, especially that time period of Monday night when the front is expected to stall. Tuesday, highs from northwest to southeast range from the mid-70s to the upper 80s. In the long-term forecast, Nebraska and Kansas temperatures Monday through the first day of July expected to be mostly seasonal to slightly warmer than normal. Rainfall for Nebraska and Kansas indicated to be above normal Monday through July 1st, with the higher chances the early to middle of next week. Key weather factors driving the markets include widespread rain for parts of the U.S. and Canadian prairies, heat building across the U.S., and dryness concerns in the Black Sea region, China, and Australia. Active weather tracks eastward across the U.S. the next couple of days as hotter and drier weather develops across the nation's midsection and begins to expand. Additional rainfall could total 1 to 3 inches across the eastern half of the U.S. by the end of the week. Any significant rain is limited to parts of the northern U.S. This weekend's high temperatures should top 100 in the western Corn Belt as far north as South Dakota. Weekend readings reach 95 in nearly all areas of the Midwest. Sunday, cooler air should spread into the northern plains. During that transition to cooler weather, rain develops from the Pacific Northwest to Montana. Next week, a nearly stationary front from the central plains to the upper Midwest is a focus for multiple rounds of thunderstorms that include some heavy rain. Later next week and weekend, another chance of rain moves across the plains and Midwest. Across many dry areas of the Canadian prairies, improving crop conditions are likely from multiple chances of scattered rain this week and rainfall that's more widespread this weekend. In the Black Sea region this week, isolated to scattered rain, too late to benefit the wheat, while corn areas are still in need of a lot more rain. For many areas of Australia, it remains too dry for wheat establishment, and limited rain the rest of the month only expected to favor the west over the driest areas of the southeast. Central China's drier weather is helping wheat harvest. Double crop corn and soybeans of central China could see a boost to soil moisture with widespread rainfall today and tomorrow. Corn and soybeans of northeast China in much better shape with favorable temperatures and soil moisture. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.